you see me in the world. That's my dream, to be a famous celebrity, and I know I will be. I want this video to be worldwide. আমি এই ভিডিওটা চাই পুরো worldwide হতে. Listen to me, all the people in the world. I speak. Okay, so I want this video to be worldwide. আমি এই ভিডিওটা চাই পুরো worldwide হতে. Listen to me, all the people in the world. Those two people over there are not my mom and dad. They are criminals. They made me suffer since birth. জন্ম থেকে আমি suffer করেছি. From since birth I suffered. In simple words, they are child abusers, and child abusers should not be free. Child abusers have to be punished in any place in the world, anywhere around the world. Child abusers, yes, children. You can't just go out and abuse children. Do you understand that? Child abusers have to be punished. This date, note down this date. What's the date today? 10th July 2025, right? On this day, I seek my justice. এই দিনে আমি আমার justice seek করেছি. My name is Kim Mehrin, and I hope you see me in the world singing and dancing on a stage, because that's my dream, to be a famous celebrity, and I know I will be. Child abuser, physical harassment, mental harassment, and emotional harassment, all these kinds of harassment. So, Adalat, okay, so judge was listening to us, and their lawyer was telling like as if I am their property, you know. I'm not a human, as if I'm their property. Like, ami manush na, ami tader property. They were talking like this. So what I did is that, like, excuse me, I am not a property. I am a human being, and nobody, like, bare minimum, nobody has the right to just come and abuse me. I was a child. Then it would be like, I also have the right and go and then abuse someone. Do I? I don't think I have the right to abuse you. Do I? I don't. So you don't either. Nobody does either. That is what I said. I said the common sense. I mean, common sense policy. I said common sense, and that's right. And I'm proud of myself. Oh, they didn't say anything. They're the criminals. What will they say? Okay. I'm proud of myself. Waiting for you.
ঠিক আছে। প্রতিবেদনের একটি গবেষণা দেখা গিয়েছে একজন নারী বা শিশু যতটা না বেশি ভয় পান অন্য লোকের আক্রমণকে, তার থেকে বেশি তারা ভয় পান নিজ পরিবারের সদস্যদের দ্বারা পারিবারিক সহিংসতা ঘটানোর আক্রমণকে। বিজ্ঞ আদালত আজ উভয় পক্ষের বক্তব্য শুনেছেন এবং আমরা বিজ্ঞ আদালতের কাছে ন্যায় বিচার প্রার্থনা করেছি যেন বিজ্ঞ আদালত বাংলাদেশের পারিবারিক সহিংসতা প্রতিরোধ ও সুরক্ষা আইন 2010 অনুযায়ী আমার ক্লায়েন্ট মিস মেহরিনকে সুরক্ষা আদেশ প্রদান করেন এবং বিজ্ঞ আদালত তার মেন্টাল হ্যারাসমেন্টের জন্য